guys, and welcome to another video in my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you words for different types of transportation in Portugal. For you guys, one very main important transportation is the train, and we take a train to transport in between the cities. Now I'm waiting for mine to go to a city called Porto, and I'm standing on a platform. This is a platform. It's very important that you know the number of your platform, like right here, because if you don't know the number, which is 5, you go to a wrong city. One main important transportation is the metro. The difference between metro and underground, it's basically the same meaning, but in American English they say metro, in British English they say underground. As you can see over there, we have a taxi, which is the most common type of transportation. There, it's a coach. In the European country, they use it for trips transportation and not for main transportation. Another way to transport in the city is to use a bike, and you can just rent a bike from here through an app and take it and move around the city. And you have a tram, but this is an old tram, and it's famous in the city of Lisbon, which is the capital of Portugal. And this is the modern tram. It's everywhere in here. Hi! She says hi! It's not very clear. These are called trails. These trails are for the trams that move around here. This bus actually goes down the sea, and it's literally like a boat bus. This is the weirdest type of transportation I've ever seen. I think it's for tourists. Also, I noticed that in Lisbon here, they use toktok a lot. I mean, I don't think it's a main part of transportation, but I think it is a main part of tourism for them to show around. And that's it, you guys, for today's video. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and I hope that you found it useful. Tell me in the comments which is your favorite type of transportation, like I showed you. And that's it. See you in another video. Goodbye.